My dog wants to say hi and pet it and kisses, so yeah. I'm eating a bologna sandwich. I'm sorry I'm not filming all day because I don't do a lot of things. I just stay home. So yeah. Get ready with me for the fair because my friend asked me or tell me or ask me if I want to go with him, with her son to the fair later to see the animals. So yes. So yeah, get rid of me, but my skin is so clear, so I don't need foundation. So I'll just do my eyes and my mascara and my lips. So yeah. This is from Target. I don't know. Then I'm gonna do that base, and then okay, I'm gonna do that. Brows gel. What's putting my brows gel? My mascara. Maybelline and blah blah. Then my lips. Put my glasses on. I have too many lips. I'm gonna do Kylie. Yeah. I'm doing Kylie and I don't know what shade. Then brush my hair. Did I put hair on it? Yeah. From Shein. It's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. Or sloppy bun. Okay, OTD shorts from Shein, top from Shein, glasses from Walmart, socks is from Walmart. See ya. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what I got. So far at the fair, I got a Hot Wheel, and then I want a cup, and I want a shirt. So yeah. Good morning, guys. I have to be quiet because my grandpa is still asleep and my dog is still asleep. Sorry I barely filmed at the fair yesterday, but I have anxiety with a lot of people, so yeah. You could tell I got sunburn, sun kiss, my body ache, hurts, yeah. But I did have fun. So my godson having fun, and yeah, I ate 2 crappy $9 hamburger. I was debating on getting a $10 funnel cake. I love funnel cake, but yeah, I don't want to pay $10 funnel cake. So yeah, remember when we were young in high school and we went to a fair and the funnel cake and the food cost like $5? Yeah. So far, I just woke up, brush my teeth, make my bed, and yeah.
Don't move the stick.
Just hold it out there and just don't move it. You're okay, okay? All right, there you go.
You were a good lighter.
All right, now give it back to
Don't hit me in the face, okay? You can swing it around, just don't swing it on my face. It is, but you guys keep moving it farther and farther away.
Okay.
Oh. Move, guys. There you go. Swing it a little bit. Yay! Remember, feet like this, or you're squatting. There you go. Don't put it towards us though. Woohoo!
Nice.
Okay.
Get it right in the middle. They're called flowers.
Hey guys, I'm eating for dinner green beans, rice, and salmon. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm done with the shower, you could tell. So now I shave my legs, so that's me. This is my fair lotion, so yeah. Servant.